What's going on, boys? Back in action. We're back in the action. Spur of the moment video, to be honest. We might be in a pickle, we might not be, but I told you guys I'd vlog some fun or not fun things that happen in my life, so here we go. You know, come down with the camera, bro. Can you fill them in? I don't know, maybe you could say it a little better. Cameramanian, everyone.
Why are you making that noise?
It's like clapping. I don't feel like finding a sound clip for that.
That is not what clapping sounds like. Yeah, no.
We're in a panic, bro.
I don't know what Bran was saying upstairs, but for the last hours, Instagram's been going off. All these DMs from people telling him there's a guy reviewing his jewelry and he's got to see the video right now.
Yeah, pretty much, actually. I didn't tell them anything. Boys, we're literally sitting down here chilling, and yeah, drip talk. Drip talk, did I say?
That sounds familiar.
Drip talk, I guess. I did a video on my jewelry website, NameBranFam.com. Might be a bad time to do it.
It might not be the ideal time, but...
I'm nervous, bro. Yeah, I guess somebody did a jewelry review on my website. I would generally not be worried, but now I'm worried because a lot of you guys are telling me to check it out. Now I feel like I gotta react to someone talking bad about my jewelry website. So, I haven't watched the video yet. I said to Ian, man, I'm gonna go grab the camera and let's just react to this together. Just be super upfront with it.
Yeah, like I don't know why you want it just on film. Like, this might not go super well.
Content, bro. It's content. I don't care. I mean, like...
Only you would be like, I'm afraid I'm about to get sued, but I want everyone to see it.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's content for the boys, man. I don't care that much. I'm kind of, like, pickled right now, bro. For the amount of you guys that are saying this is happening, I feel like he said some bad stuff. I'm about to shut down the website, but I don't know what I'm about to do. We gotta vlog me freaking out, though. Sorry for the freak out. Do you want to come up and react with me? I'm about to set up the computer. We're gonna see what this, what did I say? Drip talk? Something like that. Said about the NameBranFam.com, link down below. You're right, it's actually not a good idea to do this video, but I think it's funny. I think it's good content. Regardless, you gotta own up to whatever people are gonna say, but...
There's Bran trying to find the video. Looking a little worried?
A little worried. Not too worried, I just hope it's like nothing... Everyone's been telling me to check this out, bro. Like, what? I don't know what could have gone wrong. But yeah, I got anxiety. No, I'm not sure. Like, unless he's like really not impressed with my jewelry, but it's like a good quality for the price, I guess. But in all reality, I've told you guys so many times it's not a good quality. Now I'm looking at the motherfucker. He looks like a nice guy, but he looks like he could beat me up any day. All right, you ready? Do you agree?
I mean, yeah, he probably could. I mean,
oh, man.
I don't know how much that's really saying.
It's not a guy I want mad at me, probably. All right, let's go. Boys, this is Drip Talk, what did I say? 23 or something?
Yeah, 23.
What's going on, YouTube? My name is Will Young from Drip Talk.
Yeah, seems like a pretty decent dude.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bracelets on the
he has a
website.
Nice watch, though.
Yeah, chains on the website.
This guy might have some high standards.
And we do have a new discount going on.
Oh, he's got his own website. Oh, yeah, people were telling me to skip to like 120 or something. Hold on, let's let the man do his thing.
This is like a $50 pendant. Don't quote me on these numbers. That's what I think it is. Addicted to Money pendant. This is like a, if I'm not mistaken, like a $60 pendant.
Dude's got some game, bro. That's like actually really, really good quality. All right, let's get to the nitty gritty. Sorry, brother.
All right, today, I've been getting a lot of requests for a long time to see what NameBran. We have the YouTube out here named NameBran. He have a super lot of fans, man. I'm gonna keep it real with you.
Look at this guy, bro.
Request on doing a video from NameBran fam.
Now I don't want to disappoint him.
Fam, whichever one it is, to do something.
Well, at least he didn't say NameBran scam.
That he always talk about in his videos. Most items is free.
It's pretty good play on words, actually.
Kind of left yourself open there.
That come in and only thing you have to do is pay shipping. I watched a few of his videos. He said that.
Nice, bro. Thank you. That's sick.
Or shoot him a message on Instagram. Let him know. Get with Drip Talk, and I will send Brandon.
What did he say?
Y'all tag him into this video or shoot him a message on Instagram. Let him know. Get with Drip Talk, and I will send Brandon out something for him to do a review on. He can go to the website, pick out anything he wants.
Done deal, brother.
Good deal.
Done deal. Why not? Depending on what he says, bro.
Yeah.
Depending on what he says. Might have an enemy at this point.
This to the side.
Well, we'll see.
Okay, I don't know exactly what this is. This do have my address on the front. but we'll just do that. This is the packaging that it came in.
So this might be a longer video, guys, because I'm seeing there's a lot. I'm assuming this is the whole video. I've never actually seen somebody, I don't think, unbox my jewelry, so I kind of want to watch this.
Yeah, this should be interesting.
Let me see what old Brand doing over there, man.
Wow.
This is one of the highest recommended videos I've had in a long time.
Wow, this guy.
Thank you, guys.
This guy actually opens the package carefully. I'm used to you just ripping it open with a butcher knife and smashing what's left on the floor.
What you're saying right now, Ian, is you're used to the way I unbox things. I unbox things to be entertaining. Not saying he's not entertaining. Actually, I dig this guy, and I'm now wondering why I'm freaking out. Well, no, he still must say something bad, bro. Too many people are hitting me up.
It's a lot. There's another 9 minutes in this video, man. He must have a lot to say.
Anyway, yeah, like this is what an actual unboxer and reviewer does.
Oh, so what you do is just...
It's not like I skip past the things that I don't find fun. So I don't actually, I guess, try to...
Like when you smash the candles on the floor to get the diamond.
I guess so. Yeah.
And you had glass. You had glass in your feet for like 3 weeks.
That is true. That's actually very true.
Seriously, boys. I don't know if you talked about it, but there was like broken glass in between the cracks in the floorboards, and this guy would get it in his bare feet.
Yeah.
Again and again.
24 inch. Let's get this back in here. Let me show y'all what the packaging was. All right, this is how your packaging comes. Oh, let me take that back. This is how it comes. It came in this right here. So you do get a dust bag to store your jewelry in. Got the drawstrings on it that you open and close.
I'm hoping that dust bag didn't come dirty, by the way.
This is the free jewelry. I'm not
it's a little literal bag of dust.
Here, but you know, for those that are super young that have $20 to spend, because I paid like $19.99. I didn't even pay for like fast shipping on them, if they even offered fast shipping. But you know, I don't expect this to be super high quality, but I do expect this to be able to go out if you're young and feel super confident wearing it. And I'm looking at it right now. Okay.
Wow, I just paused a weird part. No, he's got it perfectly, guys. I don't give like high quality jewelry. I mean, it's like what you're spending. So I think, oh man, like why are you guys telling me to hit him up then? Or to watch this or whatever.
Still sounds like he has some sort of expectation.
Yeah, for sure. But he's realistic with it, and that's what I hope everyone would be. I mean, we do have more expensive stuff on the website, but can't be doing that for free with the shipping, you know. Yeah. Although I think his stuff on the website that he has is quite good.
Yeah, it looked pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Let's go ahead and give y'all a visual. This look like it's about a 4mm. We'll start with the weight with this thing. Let's see how much this thing weighs.
It's quite correct on that.
It don't feel light. It don't feel light. Let's see. Let's see what this. Ooh, 59 grams. That's. Hey, like I said, it didn't feel light. It don't feel super cheap.
I don't know what that means.
I'm actually surprised on that.
Means it's heavier than expected.
So let's go ahead on give y'all a look of what the plating looks like. There y'all go. Plating is even.
Let's go! That's my boy! Let's go! I'm holding my breath, bro.
Alright, there y'all go. The plating is evenly filled. It do have a nice gold tint to this. Keep it real with y'all.
What a
it does
guy.
have a nice gold tint to it. Alright.
Well,
don't hold
he hasn't
up.
flushed down the toilet yet.
Clasp. I will not be clasping this for y'all because I
What's wrong?
do not know how to use this thing.
Come on.
One thing about these unboxings, if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't.
You clip the thing.
So this one of those fold clasp. I don't even use these things.
Bro. You put that part. I'm pointing the screen of that little square on the one clasp. You put the. Oh, all right. Well, we're gonna have to teach you about cheaper jewelry, I guess. You know? All right, they go. I think we're not. You said he got 2 pieces though. Is she nice?
It doesn't look like this thing will be turning on your neck.
I know what he means by that. That means like when you put it on, it just like because with tennis chains.
Yeah, I know. I think I know what you mean. Yeah.
I think he said he got another piece though.
Yeah, he said he got 2.
All right, bet.
Alright.
First off, I love this gem, man. He's being super sweet. I don't know. Now I think I'm baffled at myself as to why I got so freaked out.
Yeah.
I don't like, no, sorry, I'm thinking out loud. I don't like people not liking me or my stuff, really. Like, that's
I think it's mostly your stuff, honestly.
yeah, like, definitely NameBran fam, you know? Like, I want you to be happy with the product you get, hopefully, you know? You didn't review the plastic bag, though.
It's super light. I'm gonna keep it a
It is the extra crinkly plastic bag.
This is a metal. Let's see. Let's test this out and see if it's at least a metal. We're not putting no diamond testers on it because we know it's CZs, guys. What we'll do it just because.
Oh, you don't want to do that. I'm wondering if it's metal, too.
See how it move up?
There's
we got a metal. See how the diamond tester go up? Whenever I hit this, it's on 5.
Shit, metal.
It ain't doing nothing.
And we're done. I'm just kidding.
It feels super light. Let's go ahead and put this on here, see how much it weighs. It weighs 7 grams. Let me give y'all a quick look at this thing, quick visual.
I don't really have a standard to
This
judge.
is a size 7. There's the back. Actually have a hollow back. There's the front, which is stones. At the top you have stones.
Glued in
At the
stones.
bottom, you have stones. This is a half
They're not
inch
set.
ring. Let's see how it fit. It comes to true size. My pinky is a size 7.
Let's go. Glad. Wear this, or he's giving it away, whatever.
Overall,
Alright, here we go.
that's not, y'all look in the center of the ring, right there. That's not a missing stone, but they do have something black look like behind one of those stones. They have a good shine effect to it. And like I said, it looked like it's about 2 ACZs.
Okay, so I think we're done there, right? First off, the shine effect. I'm not gonna lie. I think his camera's making it shinier than when I see this in person. It's still.
Get dripped up.
Yeah.
Definitely go holler at name.
Okay, so yeah, we got. But what the hell? Grab the camera, bro. I guess, guys, I had nothing to freaking worry about. I don't know why I was worried. Yeah, what a freaking gem. I'm just like, you guys have not hit me up like something like that in so long where it's like, you have to check this out. Somebody reviewed your jewelry. I'm like, oh my God, what the hell is happening? Because the last time y'all hit me up like that, it was when I was on Drama Alert for some stuff. So, which was BS, by the way. Yeah, whatever. Anyway.
Yeah. Honestly, that guy seemed pretty fair. Like,
Dope, man.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna link him down below. Anyway, boys, that's our quick video today. There's my little reaction. I don't know how I'm gonna edit that down. Or we just let him watch the whole thing.
yeah, you could just sandwich 2 minutes of your content around his video.
Oh no, that's not what I'm trying to do. That's not right. Drip Top's link's definitely gonna be down below. Anyway, yeah, this is cool, awesome, man. Appreciate it. Now I'm feeling a lot better. Let's go have a beer.
You mean another beer?
Maybe one more.